That was 18. No, that was 16. Okay, yep. Perfect. I was working on the recycle last night. I'm not done. Babe, when I tell you that recycle was whooping me, yeah, this is the 15K. You already know whatever you like. Thank you, boo. Okay, you said 20. So, let's do 2, hold on, 6, 7, 8, 9, 14. Okay. So 4 less soils, 4 less soils, 3 wintergreens, and 6 salvos left. KT needs 46 more people. Hurry, Craig's in trouble. Lord, I'm gonna have to spray my whatchamacallit down. Where's KT even at? KT probably left. She's sick as shit. What powders do you have to purchase? None. The powder was free. All of the cans was free. Right. Damn. My half sister can't even come and enjoy the live. Y'all want me to squeeze or add powder? She just quiet. She's sick of our shit. She ain't never coming back over here again. Okay, powder. All right. Okay. Y'all, if y'all want to keep the powder bombs going, we're going to need the rest of the liquid for sure. Okay, y'all. KT needs, how many followers you need, sister? How much is the rest of the liquids? Oh shit, I don't know. Riri, I don't know. Okay, so y'all be begging, so only if they want to send. If not, I really wanted people just to enjoy, you know, only send if you want to send, you know. No pressure, no hard sales tonight. We'll have hard sales another night. Let's see, it's 4 less soils and they are 8 a piece. So how much is that? Y'all wanna know the sellout total? And then there's 3 wintergreens and they 3 a piece. So that's 9. Four times 8 is 32. I think 32 plus 9 is 41. Tell me if the math matching, y'all. Okay. And then we got 5 dish soaps at 6 a piece. 5 times 6 is 30, right? And then 30 plus 41 is 71. Ta-da! Johnny had 5 apples at my school. The next free overload will be at, let me see, 20K. 200 cans for 20K, free. I don't know, I'm scared to do a free live, honey. Y'all got me shooken. Ooh, child. Thank you, B. I just heard my phone vibrate too. Ooh, yes. You remember on Friday when they said, make it enough? That's exactly what we're doing. Send another 6 on Apple. Thank you, Cindy. Purr. We're gonna get another dish soap. Thank you. I gotta get my music set up out here. I gotta get my vibe right for the summertime, baby. Before you get out tonight, can we see the recycle powder? Yeah. If I remember, absolutely. Okay. It's still sitting in that tote. I started working on it, but it's literally still sitting on my counter, maybe. Because one thing about me, I'm gonna procrastinate every time. Oh, this pool is nasty. It looked like a hazardous waste. I'm about to check for the puzzle. Thank you, boo. Okay, y'all, we got 48 cans left to go in and 3 bags of laundry. We getting somewhere. And I gotta get the less oil and the dish soap. So that means we officially have about 100 and, let me see, 150 plus 24 is 174. We only got 48 left, so 174 minus 48. 174 minus 44 is 130. And take away 4 more. 126. 126 cans. Don't nobody got the privilege. Ain't nobody got the privileges to let her up. Knuckles got to tussle with you in the chat. Oh, hold on. It's 4 bags of laundry left. It was 1 tucked off. So we officially have 120 something cans in. Okay, somebody sent for less oil and Cindy sent for a dish soap. Okay. Cause they have no decorum. Who ain't got no decorum? I'm disappointed, y'all. This is the first time ever we didn't get somebody to their goal in my life, which I know KT not pressed, but I be pressed. Cause I be on here bragging like this the biggest, baddest motherfucking chat on motherfucking Clean Talk. Half the chat, me please. Sammy, tell me the quantity and prices of the liquid left. I got 3 less oils at $8 a piece. So that's 24. I got 3 wintergreens at $3 a piece. So that's 9. Ooh! You know it's tea when you see them 2 fingers touching. Thank you. Her. Clock that. You need to clock that. Y'all want to go all in with the liquids? I think that would be so good. Don't send nothing else because we sold out. I mean, I do got pop, but I'm trying to hold on to some of that. But if anybody else sent after she sent, please let me know so I can refund you. Or if you would like me to keep it, I just need to know. Don't play with L. Big L, not the little one. My good sis. And L live last night was tea. Y'all went in there and popped it so hard. She had every color sweetheart powder. I was like, excuse me?